Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to put a pin on Amazon Prime Video. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to put a pin on your Amazon profile, just simply open your Amazon Prime Video application at first and then tap to your profile option. And from there, go to gear icon, and now after coming to the gear options, you just simply have to tap into this parental controls option, and then you will see this change Prime Video pin option. Just simply tap into that. If you haven't set the pin, it will show the set pin option, and after that all the process is pretty much same. Now you just simply have to put your Amazon password into this box and then click to sign in button. And after that you just simply have to enter a new pin code or create a pin code for your Amazon Prime Video and just simply tap into this change button. Then after that your Prime Video pin will successfully be created or changed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.